Hi, I'm Joe Saunders with Miniature Landscape Hobbies, and in this episode we're going to do something different. We're going to weather an HO scale locomotive.
Hello, my name is Mitchell, and I officially take over this video. The SD-70, or Special Duty 70, is a locomotive made by Progress Rail to compete with the modern Dash 9 with a total horsepower of 4,300 and a maximum speed of 70 miles per hour. With a fuel capacity of 4,900 gallons, with a length of 74 feet and a height of 16 feet, the SD-70 is a major competitor to GE's roster. With some prototypes made running off of natural gas, it is Tier 4 compliant with the EPA's emission requirements. With all major Class 1 railways operating this locomotive, including Kansas City Southern, Norfolk Southern, and BNSF, as well as Union Pacific being the largest users, Canadian National also recently received an order of these. This is what we are going to be weathering today. We'll be weathering a Walther's Mainline SD-70 in CN paint scheme, number 8004.
I'd like to take a quick moment to thank my Patreon supporters. Without their assistance, Miniature Landscape Hobbies would not be possible. If you would like to learn more about the benefits of becoming a Patreon supporter, please check the link in the video description. That's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Please remember to subscribe, press the bell button so you get immediate notification on our videos, and until next time, remember to keep building life in miniature.